Welcome back, Letronites. This is La Politica, the Cable special primer on Letran Student Council 2010 elections. Okay, in the game of politics, rivalries and controversies are certainly inevitable. This is so true and apparent on the ongoing clash between LLL and Alianza Letranista, who have been the two battling parties since way back when, okay? So just recently, the famous social networking site Facebook has been flooded with posts and status updates thrown by the parties against each other. So that's really controversial. Various controversies also enveloped this year's SC elections even before the filing of candidacy to the COMELEC and campaigns have started. With that, let us all watch this.
Gusto ko yung dati kasi yung LLL.
Alyansa po.
Has really been very prominent these days because of the elections, okay? As the both parties simultaneously change their profile pictures into their logos. But hopefully all the issues will be cleared as we have here, sitting beside me, the two running presidents, Mr. Gilbert Tecula and Mr. Robin Carlo Reyes. Hi, good afternoon.
Good
How was the campaigns?
Yes, so yun, okay lang naman yung campaign. Sobrang ini-enjoy namin yung pagka-campaign. Sobra.
Yes.
Sa amin din, although nakakapagod siya, pero yung reception naman ng mga estudyante, maganda naman. Kaya nag-i-enjoy din kami.
So wag na natin patagalin to. I know all our audience are very excited in these questions, okay? So first issue. This is for Robin, okay? First issue is on funds. Where did the money go? So yung funds ng Letran Student Council last school year, saan napunta at bakit wala nang kahit anong amount na naipamana sa susunod na Student Council?
Well, actually, kung gusto niyo po yung question regarding sa funds, ang amin naman pong financial report ay isasubmit sa Office of Student Affairs. So kahit sino pong estudyante ay pwedeng pong tignan po yon. At hindi ko po maintindihan yung sinasabi na wala pong ipapamanang funds sa susunod na Student Council.
So you mean meron? Meron or wala?
Well, actually, buti na lang, it's in my pocket. This is the bank book of the Student Council. Okay. So, here, siguro pwede ko ipabasa kay Gilbert yung update kung magkano yung natitirang fund.
Okay, sige.
So, pakikita ko sa kanya. Ito.
So, yung inherited fund is 200,000 pesos and 56 centavos.
So we still have 200,000 pesos,
yes.
56 centavos.
Yes.
So guys, we have an inheritance fund. Thank you very much,
yes.
Okay? So the second issue, this is for Robin again.
Okay.
As the acting president, what was the basis on choosing the acting president of the Student Council? Why can it be the Vice President Paula Lara since she was the Vice President? Bakit hindi siya dapat nag-act as President kapalit ni Mark? Is it part of your strategy?
Well, actually, hindi naman. Kasi si Ate Paula po is may thesis na daw po yung IT ngayon na mahirap. Kaya hindi po talaga kaya ng schedule niya yung maging acting president since at saka yung bahay din niya is sa Laguna pa. So, sa summer, kailangan kang pumunta dito para ayusin yung mga yung mga requirements ng student council. So hindi rin niya kayang gawin. So since ako naman malapit lang yung bahay ko at willing din naman ako na maging acting president ng student council.
So you volunteered? Hindi siya votation?
No, actually we have a resolution na pinasa sa Osaka. I don't know if Gilbert was a signatory to that resolution, pero majority sa mga members ng student council voted for me as their acting president.
Okay. So third issue. There were complaints about you and the SC office became like the headquarters for LLL. So ako personally, I am always at the Lance office. So katabi lang namin office nyo, no? Parang ang nangyayari kasi, merong isang estudyante na nag-react regarding this issue na yung mga candidates ng LLL laging nag-i-stay sa SC office. They think it's unfair for Alianza Letranista since the Letran Student Council office is for the students, hindi lang para sa lapiang liberal ng Letran. How will you answer to that?
Actually, yung question na yan is, ang masama dyan, yung mga candidates ba ng Alyansa ay hindi namin pinapayagan pumasok sa Student Council office. Well, actually, si Gilbert, ilang beses ko na siya naka-meeting doon, kasama din yung iba niyang candidates from Alyansa. So, hindi naman siguro unfair kasi yung mga candidates namin ay estudyante rin naman. So, welcome din naman sila sa Student Council office. At ganoon din naman sa Alyansa. Yun nga lang, hindi sila nagpupunta doon. Pero yung iba sa kanila, nagpupunta doon. Especially Gilbert, pag nagmi-meeting kami regarding sa mga issues, doon kami nagmi-meet sa SE office.
Pero since majority kasi ng ng former SE officers ay lapiang liberal ng Letran, so they think yata na kaya mas marami kayo, na-overpower niyo yung ibang candidates, kaya hindi sila makapunta sa office.
Well, siguro rin kaya akala nila na puro LLL ang mga napupunta sa SE office. Kasi yung mga natira